Here is beautiful Kiana, and now we're going to take her beautiful, shiny, voluminous blow dry to the whole next level. All right, first we're going to dress the hair out by using our hot off the press. This is going to be our thermal protectant, spraying that all throughout the hair, and we're going to pick up our 413 sculpting brush and really comb through. Perfect. Now starting at the nape of the neck, we're going to use our Paul Mitchell Pro Tools Express Ion Styler Plus. We're going to set that at 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Starting at the nape, this is going to be a rocking motion, so we're going to achieve a nice flat wave. So rocking the smoothing iron 180 degrees as we move fluidly down the hair, keeping it always moving, always jiggling it back and forth so that we really don't create any dents or creases in the hair. Picking up only amount of hair that you feel comfortable with, flipping the smoothing iron back and forth 180 degrees, and just always keep it moving. Back and forth, back and forth. Perfect. 180 degrees, the other way, 180 degrees, and just always keeping it rocking and keeping it moving. Perfect. Now let's move to the front. Again, we're moving everything back and away from the face, but only flipping the smoothing iron 180 degrees versus curling it all the way around. And this will give us that beautiful, flat, beachy wave. All right, you ready? It's your turn. Let's dress the hair out with hot off the press, making sure that we are working at the nape of the neck in nice secured sections, taking our Paul Mitchell Pro Tools Express Ion Styler Plus, and we're gonna rock it back 180 degrees and the other way 180 degrees, always keeping it moving so that it's never stagnant. We don't build up any creases or dents in the hair. There you go, rock it back and forth. Nice, back and forth all the way through the edges. The nice thing about this is it doesn't have to be perfect. We're really going for a little bit more of that textured, beachy, flat wave. So back and forth all the way through to the edges. And 180 degrees, 180 degrees. We want to think about it like that, opposed to 360. Oh, looks great. Look at that beautiful texture. Now let's go in with our Invisible Wear Orbits hairspray. Let's decorate the whole interior and exterior of your hair. Now let's go in with the Invisible Wear Pump Me Up. We're going to apply this at the crown of the head all the way to the round of the head, really saturating and making sure that we're focusing on that root area. This is going to give us that nice volume, plumped up, pumped up fabric that we're looking for. Rubbing our fingers through it, we're going to go to the back of the ear to the high point of the head, and we're going to create a little zigzag part. And it's going to really be more with your fingers, a little bit more of that half up, half down feel. Let's secure that with a nice rubber band. Perfect. Now let's go in with our pinch and pull method. So pinch the ponytail and pull the hair that you want to see exaggerated. Don't be afraid to really pull out some of your baby hairs and decorate it how you see. Perfect, looking good. Now let's go in with our Invisible Wear Orbits hairspray again. It's going to be a nice, dry, natural finish. Spraying all that pinch and pull, all your beachy texture. Let's go ahead and pick up our Paul Mitchell Pro Tools Express Ion Styler Plus again. And now what we're going to do is we're going to define those pieces that you pulled out. Perfect. So just giving them a little kiss on those extra pieces, it's going to give us that beautiful definition. I love it. You are ready to go out. Textured and undone. Beautiful, Kiana. Great job.